I will maybe have to work a little harder to win people's hearts. So Big Boss goes on in my house 24/7 because my mom loves watching it. Dada, she's the reason I'm doing the show. I've been approached for the show 4 to 5 times before the
Okay.
past years. And my mom last year she was like, "Why are you not doing it?" And this year she was like, "I think you should do it." And I was just like, and then I realized, so she's actually one of the main reasons I'm doing the show. And
Okay.
she's the most worried also that I'm doing the show. She's really like worried for me, for her daughter. यार हम सबको गेम पे फोकस करना है. मेरे डैड देख रहे होंगे बाहर बैठ के शो. लव लव काम कर करना करो. कोई बात नहीं ये सब.
But how are you coping with the fear, excitement, nervousness of getting locked up inside Big Boss house?
I'm coping by having moments of just sitting and just holding my head and being like,
My name is Xenia and you're watching Desi Martini. Today we have with us none other than the talented, the beautiful, and the person whose melodious voice has gotten us all step up and dance. Yes, I'm talking about Akasa. Akasa, thank you for joining with Desi Martini. And first thing first, जंगल थीम है. आप ऑलरेडी बता चुकी हो कि आप क्वीन ऑफ द जंगल हो. आप बताओ which animal do you relate to the most?
I think I would relate to someone like, I don't know, हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं उसको, wild cat जो होती है, that turns into a kitten when you play with it. It's also very cute, but when need be, it is very, very ferocious.
Okay, so you are not the Nagin in real life.
No, I don't think so. I think वो सिर्फ video and dance के time I can turn into Nagin, but that's about it.
Also, you know, jungle theme hai, survival tasks hone wale hai, and it's going to be difficult. Promos have promised कि काफी सारे facilities जो generally मिलते हैं वो अभी नहीं मिलेंगे. So how do you think you are going to you know, cope up with that?
I don't know because I really don't know what to expect and what's going to happen. I think that's one of the things about the show that you just don't know. When you go there is when you will actually know, which is why mystery एक तरफ वो जो suspense जो मार रहा है मैं, because I'm also getting to know about this as and when you are, when the promos are coming out. So I was like, what is this jungle? Oh my god, I have to change all my clothes and मैं ये थोड़ी पहन सकती हूँ, ट्रैक पैंट्स मंगाओ and this and that. So जितनी मैं प्रेपरेशन कर सकती हूँ फिजिकली वो उतनी ही चल रही है बस. बाकी तो वहां जाके ही आई गेस what will happen and what not will happen and how scary and difficult it is going to be.
Which people to expect inside the house, क्योंकि पता है कि कुछ लोगों का तो पता है कि who is going to enter. Who do you think would be like more like your friend, and who are you being careful with?
I would be able to answer that if I actually knew, because I also know the speculations. So I don't want to expect only कि हाँ ये आ रहे हैं कि नहीं आ रहे हैं, because बाद में जाके पता चले नहीं आए.
नहीं, बस एक ही पता है अभी तो, द बिग बॉस ओटीटी से बस.
मुझे पता है वो उनके बारे में. मुझे like I know them. I don't know what to expect. I did not watch the OTT this thing. I know I should have. But I'm looking forward to meeting them because they will have a lot more insight because they've been in the house, right?
Right.
So, no, somewhere or the other, hopefully they can guide the rest of us जो भूले भटके नए नए आएंगे. But that's about it. Once I go there and once I know the people, because I'm not from the TV industry, right? So that's definitely something that I'm not. I don't have a lot of those people. Might be each other's friends if they are from the. That might be my, I don't know, disadvantage, or will it be a chance for me to make fresh connections? I don't know, but I guess we'll know when we go there and when I see them and when I know how they are in reality.
क्योंकि बिग बॉस टीवी में आते हैं और जब टीवी कंटेस्टेंट्स वहां पे जाते हैं, दे ऑलरेडी हैव एन ऑडियंस who are aware of them and who follow them. Do you think that can act as a disadvantage for you, or are you very secure?
it's not about being secure. It's and not even about advantage. It's a fact. It is how it is, and I guess I will maybe have to work a little harder to win people's hearts, because they've already done that on national television, and I'm up for the challenge for sure, because that's one of the main reasons I'm doing the show, is so that I win a lot more hearts than I have been able to already. um yeah, maybe it will be difficult if someone who's already so loved is put against someone who's maybe not as known.
Hmm.
But in the I'm sure in Big Boss it has been proven that it doesn't matter. It's about how you are in the house, and how you're capable of winning hearts, whether you're known, whether you're new. So I hope I'm enough capable enough of.
Also, have you watched any of the previous seasons of Big Boss?
So Big Boss goes on in my house 24/7 because my mom loves watching it.
Oh, wow.
Uh, yeah, so which is why thoda bahut wahan se I've seen it. Like sometimes if I have to sit and eat with mom, Big Boss is going on, so I've watched it. But the last season, it's been a while since I like followed it.
Huh.
That's a disadvantage or not, but then I decided, even after I decided to do the show, I was just like, maybe I don't want to watch it and have a preconceived notion. But it's been a while. I followed season 13 a bit.
Okay.
I really like it. I've seen Gohar's. I used to watch until back then. I used to watch it very often, and I really liked her on the show.
She would be so proud, na? मतलब 24 घंटे अगर Big Boss चलता है, now her daughter would be on the show.
Proud से तो proud से ज़्यादा, she's the reason I'm doing the show. I've been approached for the show 4 to 5 times before the
Okay.
past years. And my mom last year say, she was like, why are you not doing it? And this year she was like, I think you should do it. And I was just like, and then I realized, so she's actually one of the main reasons I'm doing the show. And
Okay.
she's the most worried also that I'm doing the show. She's really like worried for me, for her daughter.
You know, Big Boss is also about entertainment, and all the contestants who are there, they entertain the audiences, and that's how they get the votes, right? So, how do you plan on bringing that entertaining element on the show?
I think as a person only, I'm like so much full of naughty. Like I feel like I'll do them by being myself. I like entertaining people. I've always liked that. Even before I became a singer, and even before I got out of school and got out into the life, school and college, I've always liked having an audience watching me, and doing something or the other to make them laugh, to sing for them, to do some sort of nautanki. So I guess I'm just going to continue doing that. एंड गाने वाने गाऊंगी जितने मुझे याद रहेंगे, क्योंकि गूगल के बगैर तो पता नहीं मेरा क्या होगा, लिरिक्स मुझे याद तो रहे. And I'll boss, please send me some lyrics, please, if I want to sing and entertain. But yeah, that's one of the things. Lots of things, whatever it takes. Entertainment is my main purpose in life, so whatever it takes to entertain people.
Jhagde is a very integral part of Big Boss. Jhagdo ke bina Big Boss nahi chalta. How are you going to deal with that?
I don't know. I guess it's all those fights are all real human emotions. When even in real life, no family stays without in a house without fighting.
Huh.
Like in my house, we fight. 1 minute we'll be having like a maha world war, and 5 minutes later we all are like fine. I guess that's part and parcel of being in a house. I'll just try being someone who can let go of a fight after a while. Like ठीक है, we both said something, let's get over it and come to a consensus. And that's what I want to try and do for sure. Like
Okay.
Punjabi mein bolte hain, mitti pav, mitti pav, mitti pav. Like that's
Finally, what should like other contestants watch out for?
my weapon of love.
Okay, when you say my weapon of love, are you like open to finding love inside Big Boss house?
Love have to be that love? I don't understand. Why is everyone? I think that I am very vocal about the love of my life on social media, and that's Diljit Dosanjh. And the day he joins the show is when I will be very happy to look for love. But from that, I was talking about the other kind of love, the love, general love that I
Huh.
talking That love.
Okay. So, but like love मिले तो चलेंगे या गेम पे ही फोकस करना है?
यार हम सबको गेम पे फोकस करना है. मेरे डैड देख रहे होंगे बाहर बैठ के शो. लव लव काम कर. करना करो. कोई बात नहीं ये सब.
That is when the family week comes. हाँ, उससे पहले तो you are going to like हाँ अभी ठीक है.
देख रहे होंगे ना डैडी और मम्मी. Anyway, I tend to become like one of the boys. I've always been that girl who seems like she's very glamorous, and then after a while, guys are like, "अरे ये तो अपने जैसी है." So maybe घर
No
में
way.
हाँ bro vibes.
Okay, Akasa, thank you so much for joining the Desi Martini and good luck for Big Boss 15. I'm sure you're going to bring a lot of energy and a lot of entertainment on the show. Good
Thank you
luck
so much.
and take care.
You should join Team Akasa. Okay, bye.
Okay, done. Bye. Bye.
Bye.